Hi, I'm Mike Hanson from the Open Exchange Product Marketing Department. I'd like to welcome you to the Ox tutorial series. Today we're going to cover some of the features and functions within Ox App Suite and the applications therein. Hope you enjoy the series. We're going to cover a few basics of Ox Drive. To try and make it clear, what I have set up is I have a smartphone and I have a laptop. I also have Ox App Suite installed and ready to go. What I'm going to do in this session is we're going to show you how to take a photograph on the iPhone. It's going to be uploaded into Ox App Suite, and then from Ox App Suite it's going to synchronize down to the desktop client. So this is my system. This is my local device. This is my laptop. As you can see here, this is my iPhone. This is a genuine view onto my iPhone. And then on the right here we have Ox App Suite. So Ox App Suite, we're going to go straight into Ox Drive and we're going to go into the photo stream. So at the moment there's one photograph in my photo stream. On my laptop we can see the photos already synchronized, and if I now just start Ox Drive on my phone, we can see the file structure. Note that what we can see here is an exact replica of everything underneath my files. What we do not see are public files or shared files. So let's now start the demonstration. I'm going to quickly pick up my iPhone and I'm going to quickly take a simple photograph of what I can see on the screen. So let's just take a photograph and then just go back to Ox Drive on my phone. So what's happening here is in the top right hand corner you can see this icon swirling around, and that was the phone actually uploading the image up into Ox App Suite. In Ox App Suite we can just quickly refresh it, and what we can see is the photograph has popped up here in Ox App Suite. If we look down on my laptop, we can see the photo is already here. If I change the view, that photo is there. Nice and simple, everything happened automatically. Now with the phone, if I just actually go into the photo stream on the phone, we can see that the image that was already in Ox App Suite has a little cloud next to it. This means that it's available from Ox App Suite but has not been downloaded to the phone. Downloads to the phone have a special configuration but are not set by default because generally the iPhone or the phones have limited memory and disk space. But what's happened is, because I took the photograph on this phone itself, the photograph is there in its entirety. What I can do is click on the photograph, get the information up on the photograph, and I can mark it as one of my favorites. What this does is it marks it and says that if any changes are made to this image, they are to be automatically downloaded. If I hadn't pressed favorites, I would be informed that there's a change to be made. So what I can do now is just go back here. I can actually open up the image on my desktop. I've just double clicked on it and I shall just bring it into view. And what I'm going to do now is make a simple edit. This is just to show you that something has happened. So what I'll do is I'll just drag out a big red box into the middle of the image. Once I save this image, that's now saved. I've saved it on my desktop here. So what's going to happen is that's going to be uploaded into Ox App Suite. So if I just refresh Ox App Suite, what's going to happen is you're going to see that the image has actually been altered. If I go to my phone, we have a quick look at the photo stream. I'm just synchronizing my phone, and you'll see that the image has actually changed on my phone as well. The other thing that's happened at the same time is within Ox App Suite, if I click on the image, we can scroll down and we can see that the version history has automatically been taken. And I can click on here and can see the two different versions of that image. One last thing I'd like to show you is that things happen quite quickly in this environment. The synchronization happens automatically. So if I stay within Ox App Suite and I create, let's say, a new document, I can go in here, say there's a new document. Ox App Suite drops me into Ox Text, and I can put, this is an example of a new document. This has been called unnamed, the default name, and you can see that actually this has, let me just go back here. This has been named automatically, been downloaded onto my desktop. What I'll do is give this a proper name, test document, and that has now changed its name within Ox App Suite, and if I just shut this down, we will see that Ox App Suite has got a document called test document. We can also see that on the desktop I've got test document, and if I go into my phone, we've got, it still says unnamed, it's just resync itself. Then we've got test document down there. What I can now do, and this is part of Ox Text really, is just open up that document on my local machine. I'll just bring that into view. And this is just running in standard Word, and I can do, this is an edit, and I'll just save that down to the desktop. So that's actually changed here, and what we can do is go back to Ox App Suite, and I can just have a quick view here, and you can see very small, this is an edit. If I want to view the document itself, I can bring up the view, and all has been synchronized completely. If I go down to my phone again, I can have a look at the photo stream. I can quickly open this up, and you see the document. So that's it for Ox Drive. Very simple to use, very useful. Hopefully you found this tutorial of interest, and please go to the website and look at the other tutorials. Thank you.